Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to manage payments on YAYSHOP app. So let's first learn about how to add the payments account. So you go to the settings, and when you go to the settings, you click on payments. And if you are the first time user, this is how your screen is going to look like. You click on set up now. On the next page, you will have to fill up your account details and choose the payment option. I gave my customers the liberty to pay in online and offline methods both. After clicking on add payment account, this is how your screen is going to look like. It'll have your payment options that you've selected, the settlement account details, and also the settlement summary. Later on, you can also change your payment options by clicking on the edit button. Now let's learn about what the settlement summary really means. Settlement summary will show you the status of all the online payments made by your customers. The on hold tab will show subtotal amount of all the orders which have not yet been delivered but the customer has made the payment of. The schedule tab will show sum total amount of all the orders which have been delivered and the customer has made payment of. Scheduled amount is basically the amount you receive from completed orders for the day. Cumulative payout will be done every day at 7 p.m. when your total amount earned of the day will be transferred to your linked account. Thus, the amount from the schedule tab will be transferred to the payout tab. An important thing to note is that the settlement summary only shows the payments done by online methods. You also have an option to accept cash on delivery. You go to delivery and you turn on the tab of cash on delivery COD. Let's see how these settlement tabs work. So I have an online payment which was done of 21 rupees. When we go to payments and see the settlement summary, my 21 rupees is on hold because the material has not been delivered yet. Let's change the status of order to delivered. So update from in progress, I'll shift it to delivered, save. Let's go and check in the payments again. So once we go back and go to the payments, here in the settlement summary, you'll see from on hold the money has been shifted to scheduled, and when you tap it, you will also see the order details. After the settlements at 7 p.m, my scheduled money 21 rupees will move to paid out. I hope the video helped. Thank you. Bye.